Farming practices are constantly evolving. One thing that never changes is the need for reliable tools with the strength and stamina to get the job done. For over 40 years, Major Equipment has focused on producing equipment that meets rising challenges from dynamic agricultural and commercial environments.
Major is an engineering company, but our roots are in the farming business as well. The company started in 1976 by myself and my brother, and even today it is retained as a fully family-owned business. We started making our own machinery because the machines that were available were not up to the tough conditions in Ireland, and we developed it from there over the years on a range of grass cutting equipment and other various products through the agricultural industry.
We've built up a dealer network across 25 countries by building up a reputation for designing and producing high quality, innovative, sturdy equipment. We won't compromise on quality, even when it's easy to cut corners. Our customers don't have time for broken machinery. They might be operating a farm on their own, or they're large contractors with busy schedules to meet. They need something that does the job and won't let them down. All our machines are designed, built and tested here in the west of Ireland, which is some very challenging conditions. And if they can survive here, they can survive anywhere in the world.
Major is always looking for better ways of working and delivering solutions that will reduce the pressures farmers face every day. The Cyclone Rotary Shredder Cutter is Major's answer to what every crop farmer faces after harvest and what every livestock farmer needs to keep pastures in order.
On one of my visits to Germany, I went around various farms and I noticed there was a need for wider, bigger equipment to cater for the maize crops. They had a problem in Germany with a particular parasite that was staying in the crop after it had been harvested. And if the parasite wasn't removed, they would retain in the crop until next year. Prior to that, they were using batwing machines or flails. The big issue with the flails is the horsepower requirements. And if you want to go over to machines that are 20 foot, 30 foot wide, there's very few flails available. And when you do to move to that size of flail, you need enormous horsepower. So we were able to produce a product where you've got the benefits of the fine chopping that you tend to get from the flails, and you get the cut like the batwings, but you get a perfect distribution of the waste products at the back, give you the best of both worlds.
There are a number of features that give the Major Cyclone the edge over alternative systems. It has a unique double blade system that cuts, shreds, and mulches material. The material is chopped finely and evenly distributed on the ground, leaving no windrows. The finely chopped material can decompose at a faster rate to return nutrients to the soil and prevent soil erosion. The Major Cyclone requires significantly less horsepower and fuel than a similar-sized flail. The 18-foot model needs just 100 horsepower to work it. Heavy-duty, full-length rear rollers allows the Major Cyclone to follow the Earth's contours and protects the machine in tough conditions. Depending on what crop you're working in, the cutting height on the Major Cyclone can be adjusted from 2 inches to 6 3/4 inches, making it very versatile. The undersole discs are produced from Hardox 450 abrasion-resistant steel. They protect the blade system in rough terrain. The Major Cyclone is manufactured using high-performance Strynx structural steel. This material takes higher payloads, thereby making the Major Cyclone stronger, durable, and more sustainable. A hot-dipped galvanized finish ensures a long machine life. The Major Cyclone folds neatly behind the tractor, making it safe to travel from site to site. Major Equipment offers dependability, simplicity, and ease of mind. This is why customers around the world trust in Major to get the job done.